Okay, the next I will introduce the software, which you can see the real-time date. And first, after you connect it with the wireless model, and then there's an account and a password. You just log in, and we will give the account and the password, and then you just log in the account and the password. Okay, and after loading, just wait for a moment. After loading the software, that is the interface of software. You can check that totally 12 gateways. And second, click here, and that is the screen management. And you can check it, monitor screen. And after you monitor screen, and you can check from here, that is 12 sensors. And then click, check here, click monitor. And monitoring after you click here, and then also from the left you can check there are 12 devices. And for example, we see the 12th sensor, and then you can check it. For the 12th sensor, there are 4 functions. That is for the rainfall sensor, that is the radar flow meter, that is alarm, that is a controller. Okay, the next we will click one by one. First, click the rainfall sensor. And then it show the 10 it will show the meters of the parameters of the rainfall: daily rainfall, instant rainfall, yesterday rainfall, total rainfall, hourly rainfall, and in the last hour, and 24 hours master rainfall, 24 hours mini rainfall period, and also the mini 24 hours rainfall and the shortest rainfall period 24 hour. And that is the rainfall parameters. And the next, we'll check. We will check the radar flow meter, and after you click it, and it will show the real-time date of the flow rate, water level, accumulate flow, and we will make the simple from here, and you just check it from here, okay? And that is the accumulated flow totally. And here is the USB driver storage circle. We mean that we have built-in data logger, and you can change it. For example, just click it. At present, it's 60 seconds. And for example, if you want to change to the 2 minutes, you can change 120. So it is easy to change. Okay. And the next, we will check another function. That is alarm function. That is very important. And just I have told, and this function can set 3-level alarm. And first, that is the first level alarm, And for this alarm, for example, if the water level 2 meters, and it will give the alarm. If the water less than 1 meter, the alarm will be released. And that is the alarm cycle. It means it only gives 5 seconds alarm sound. So you can, that is a second. For second, it means that the limit, it means the higher value is 5 meters. If the measured value higher than 5 meters, then it will give alarm. And if the water level less than 4 meters, it will release the alarm. And alarm sound, it is 10 seconds, only lasts 10 seconds. And for the third one, that is the dangerous alarm. If the water level higher than 10 meters, it will give the always alarm. And if the water level less than 9 meters, the alarm will be released. Okay. And the next I introduce, if you want to set the alarm value, you can click it. For example, that is 2 meters, and you can also input 3 meters. And then it will change after power on. Just because we didn't connect the wireless model. If you connect the wireless model by the 4G, and then you just click it and click OK, and then it will change. Okay, and for example, and after you connect it by the wireless model, it will change. And also the sound time also can be changed. For example, you just input 7, and also after it's online, also it will change into 7 seconds. And it means that when the water level higher than 2 meters, and the cycle will sound 5 seconds, and then it will stop. Okay, and that introduce of the radar alarm function.